This is how to market your first action plan on Life.Cafe. We're going to show you step by step in this action plan everything you need to know. So, building an audience is the first step, and we'll give you a quick tour of the different items along the way. So, these are going to be checklists and different tools of ways you can turn clicks into customers. And all of these are advice and tips from our experts who've helped hundreds of people be able to get onto Life Cafe and grow their audiences. You can play these videos, of course, right inside, just like on any of our action plans. And that's really helpful so that you're able to put it to action, all of these tips and tricks along the way. And at each step, as you go through the process, we will connect you to local resources that might be helpful for you. So, for creating an email list, you might want to be working with a local marketing agency or graphic designer. There's no need that you have to. These are just suggestions that are often associated with this step. And it will auto populate based on my location. So, if you are in New York, your populations of vendors will come up locally. So here are some local resources since I'm here in San Francisco that are popping up of marketing agencies that I could choose to work with if I'd like to. And as always, I could favorite and write notes after I've scheduled a meeting, and that this way, as I go along, I remember, oh, what did I do? Who was I speaking with? And as always, the favorites will be saved to my favorites page. So all the functionality of Life Cafe guided action plans are exactly the same, but we just wanted to give you a quick tour of all the features of this action plan so that you can have everything you need to market, build that audience, grow that email list, launch the plan, and gather more testimonials so that you have the loyalty that you are looking to have for your plans and they keep coming back for more. So thank you for choosing Life Cafe, and we look forward to be here as your life support along the way on Life.Cafe. Have a wonderful day.